Keeping your balance. That is our topic for today. I am Pastor Joseph Chissart and this is Insights for Living. In Job chapter 2 and verse 10, it says, "But he said to her," that is Job, "You speak as one of the foolish women speaks. Shall we indeed accept good from God, and shall we not accept adversity?" In all this, Job did not sin with his lips. Job 2 and verse 10. An old proverb says, "All sunshine and no rain makes a desert." Even nature demonstrates the importance of dark clouds and rainy days. Without them, life not only fails to grow, but totally dries up and blows away. Nothing but sunshine would make for a barren and uninhabitable landscape. Job realized this truth is true not only in nature but even in our spiritual lives. It applies to the human nature and to the human life as well. It would be foolish to think that to accept good things and good days from God and not those things that appear to be evil or bad. We need a balance. Experiences in life need to be balanced. To accept the one and refuse the other is to question the wisdom of God. And that is what we read in the verse stated here. As painful it was to go through the circumstances in which Job went through, it was a part of life. It was God's balance in his life. If given the option, we would naturally choose the good, the sunshine over rain, joy over sadness. But you know what? God doesn't always give us a choice when it comes to things that challenge our lives. Both sorrow and gladness often come from sources over which we have no direct control. We can resist the trials and plead for only the good things to come in our lives. But this would be foolish. Without the balance between positives and negatives, our spiritual lives would be like a desert. The alternative is to submit to God and to accept what He sends our way as a part of His ultimate plan for our good. We may not find it natural, but let us give thanks for the painful events that have happened in your life. Recognize them for what they are. A gift from the hand of a loving God who loves you. Acknowledge the truth that you need the rain as well as the sunshine to make your life complete. God gives you what is best for you and me. So let us trust Him and rejoice. And remember, without the rain, it is hard to fully appreciate the sunshine. And this is Insights for Living. Until next time, I am Pastor Joseph Chissart signing off.